Hello children, welcome back to your SST class. Today we will proceed with the concluding part of the chapter. In the previous video we discussed about latitudes and heat zones of the earth. Today we will continue with longitudes. Longitudes are imaginary semicircular lines that run from the North Pole to the South Pole on the surface of the globe. These lines cut latitudes at the right angles. They are also called meridians. One of these meridians is designated as the starting point and is called prime meridian. It runs through Greenwich, England, and is also known as the Greenwich meridian or 0-degree longitude. There are 360 meridians. Like latitudes, longitudes are also measured in degrees, minutes, and seconds. The prime meridian divides the earth into two equal halves, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. The longitudes which lie to the east of prime meridian are marked with letter E, and those which lie to the west are marked with letter W. The main features of longitudes are that they are semicircles of equal length. There are 360 longitudes. Distance between two meridians doesn't remain constant. Now, international date line. International date line is an imaginary line. 180 E and W is the same meridian and is simply called meridian of 180 degree. This line is drawn in a zigzag manner and deviates at places on maps so that it doesn't cut through any island or cause confusion of dates in one country. While traveling across the international date line, one has to adjust the date and time on a watch. It has been internationally accepted that a new calendar date begins on crossing this line. Crossing it from east to west, a traveler will add or gain a day, and crossing it from west to east, a traveler will subtract or lose a day. Longitudes help us to calculate time. As the earth rotates from west to east once in 24 years, it takes 24 hours for every longitude to pass through 360 degrees. All countries of the world refer to a local time of 0-degree longitude or the prime meridian as the Greenwich Mean Time or GMT. It has been decided as a reference for World Standard Time. The east-west extent of India is about 30 degree, so there would be a time difference of 2 hours. To avoid confusion, 82 degree 30 east longitude is taken as standard meridian of India. It passes through Mirzapur in Allahabad. When it's 12 noon at Greenwich, the time at 15 degree east longitude will be 1 pm, 1 hour ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. However, at 15 degree west longitude, the time will be behind GMT by an hour, that is, it will be 11 am. As the local time differs by 4 minutes at every longitude, it will create a lot of confusion regarding the time for flights or trains. For each country selects a particular meridian, and the local time of this meridian is the standard time of that country. The world has been divided into 24 time zones, and each time zone covers 15 degrees of longitude. Okay students, now you have to go through the chapter, read it carefully, and if you face any problem, you are free to ask me. Okay, bye bye for this chapter.